Stanford National University. I am Dr. Urvija Garg, Associate Professor, Chemistry Department, School of Life and Basic Science, SILAS campus. In SILAS, we are offering various BSc programs, BSc Pass Course and Honors. In BSc Honors, we are offering BSc Honors in Physics, BSc Honors in Chemistry, BSc Honors in Math, and BSc Honors in Botany. BSc is a 3-year program which is divided into 6 semesters. In BSc, we are offer CBCS system, means choice based credit system. This system is divided into 4 parts. Students have studied 4 main course: core course, ability enhancement course, skill development course, and general elective course. After BSc, student can understand the basic and technical details and explore the scientific literature. In BSc Chemistry Honors, in first semester, students have 2 core papers: inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry. In inorganic chemistry, students have studied atomic structure and chemical bonding, and in physical chemistry, state of matter and ionic equilibrium. Ability enhancement program is English and communication, and general elective paper is books. Like this, in second semester, students have studied organic chemistry and physical chemistry. Ability enhancement program में in environmental science and data structure. In third semester, students have 3 course paper: inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry. Ability enhancement program in chemoinformatics, and elective program introduction to database management. In fourth semester, again students have 3 core papers: inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, and physical chemistry. Ability elective paper is pharmaceutical chemistry, and general elective paper for Java programming. In 5th and 6th semester, students have 2 core paper: organic chemistry and physical chemistry, and 2 disciplinary elective paper is industrial chemical environment and analytical chemistry. In 6th semester, again 2 core paper: inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry, and discipline elective paper: molecular modeling and drug designing and dissertation. After completion BSc chemistry, students have various opportunity to go in agriculture sector, oil industry, DRDO, BARC, R&D, pharmaceutical company, etc. Like this, in BSc Physics Honors, students have 14 core paper. In semester first, you have studied 2 core paper: wave and optics and analog and digital system. Ability enhancement paper environmental science, and general elective paper OPS. Like this, in second semester, you have studied 2 core paper: mechanics and digital system and application. Ability enhancement paper English and communication, and general elective paper data structure. In third and fourth semester, you have studied 3 core papers. In third semester, you study thermal physics, mathematical physics, electrical and magnetic physics. Ability elective paper machinery drawing, and general elective paper introduction to database. In fourth semester, you have 3 core paper for physics: element of modern physics, solid state physics, and mathematical physics. Elective paper is electrical circuit, and general elective paper is Java. In 5th and 6th semester, you have studied 2 core paper and 2 discipline effective paper. And in 6th semester, you have studied dissertation also, in which you have to work as a project work. After completion BSc Honors Physics, you know the basic principles of physics: quantum physics, mechanical physics, solid physics, modern physics, etc. BSc Honors Maths. BSc Honors Maths is a 3-year program in which you study core papers in 14 course papers like differential equation, algebra, real analysis, multiplier calculus, etc. 5 discipline specific paper, 5 skill enhancement paper, and 5 general elective paper. After completion BSc Honors in Maths, student is able to understand basic concept of maths, which is used in different competitive exams. Like BSc Honors Botany student again have 4 category: core paper, ability enhancement paper, discipline specific paper, and general elective paper. In core paper, in first semester, you have 2 core papers: genetics and biomolecules and cell biology. Ability enhancement paper is English and communication, and general elective paper is biodiversity. Like in second semester, to again study two core paper, molecular biology and mycology, ability enhancement paper environment, and general elective paper is plant ecology and taxonomy. In third and fourth semester you have three core paper and one ability enhancement paper and one elective paper. In fifth and sixth semester you have studied two core paper, plant physiology, plant metabolism, plant biotechnology, and four discipline specific elective paper, which is analytical technique, natural sources, bioinformatics, and research methodology. After completion of BSc Honors Botany, you are able to understand the different basic concepts of botany, biotechnology, bioinformatics, and regular and different field of agriculture sector, etc. Exam scheme. Your exam pattern is divided into two parts: internal assessment and external assessment. Internal assessment is 30 marks and external weightage of external assessment is 70 marks. Internal assessment is again divided into three parts: midterm 1, midterm 2, and attendance and assignment. 10 marks for midterm 1, 10 marks for midterm 2, and 5 marks for attendance and assignment. Now, during your course, you will be mentored by highly qualified and experienced faculty members, and be able to leadership of Professor D.S. Bhatia, which is Director SILAS, 57-year teaching experience, retired for Punjab Agriculture University. Professor D.S. Bhatia is famous for his regularity, punctuality, and his dynamic personality. Professor Dheera Sanadhyay, Deputy Director, Dr. Jaspreet Singh, Assistant Director, Chemistry Faculty, myself Dr. Urvaja Garg, Dr. Poonam Sharma, Associate Professor, Ms. Anu Yadav, Assistant Professor, Mathematical Faculty, Mr. Amit Mathur, Assistant Professor, Ms. Ritika Rai, Assistant Professor, Mr. Rakesh Agarwal, Assistant Professor, Physics Faculty, Mr. Akash Shukla, Assistant Professor, Mr. Sanjay Pachauri, Assistant Professor, Ms. Namita Kumari, Assistant Professor. Botany Faculty members, Dr. Priya Jain, Assistant Professor, Dr. Masudullah Khan, Assistant Professor. Computer Science Faculty, Mr. Gaurav Sharma, Assistant Professor, Ms. Neetu Joshi, Assistant Professor. Communication Faculty, Dr. Rajiv Ranjan, Associate Professor. To give academic as well as industrial exposure of a student, we organize various industrial tour, summer training programs, guest lecture, etc. After completion of BSc Honors in Physics, Chemistry, Maths, Botany, student can different opportunities in different field, like for higher education, for research line, for industries, etc. Thank you.